Hi Gemstones! Today I would like to share with you how I make fresh ginger tea. This is very helpful to me whenever I have a cold. Hope you like it! Now here's our ginger. And pure honey. Peel it first. Make sure you wash your ginger after peeling. You may slice your ginger thinly or chop them, but I prefer to grate them. Here's our grated ginger. Put 3 to 5 cups of water in a pan. Add the grated ginger. Bring mixture to a boil over high heat. To maintain a gentle simmer, reduce the heat. Let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Sieve to catch all the ginger when it's done and add some honey. Here's our fresh ginger tea. Hope you like it, guys. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks, Gemstones!